Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Podcast is for can't say your host Carlo here, always and always. Yeah, so I welcome you out to my channel again. Yeah, without wasting my time, we got to dive into the topic we have for you out today. So a lot of people want to travel to the Middle Eastern countries, like where I am right now, Qatar, but sometimes some people get failed by their agents. They be lying to them or giving them a visit visa to come here as a resident visa. Well, when those things happen to you, just know that when you come here with visit visa, you are going to go back because the securities out here are too wild in that. And as soon as you come as visit, you can't change it to a resident. Even if you can, you have to go back again and come back again. So it's best for you to just get yourself a valid agent. And some people also bring them in some companies that the company don't have working. They don't have any work to give it to the people that they are bringing in a country. So whenever they come, they don't. The company also send them back in a month or a two. That is bad, bro. I just want to give you advice to know the kind of company. Let them explain to you the kind of work that they do here, the company, the actual working that they've been doing in the country, because people be experiencing those things when they come a month to the company asks them that, oh, I don't have any working, so yeah, I should go back again, and you paid about $1,000 or $3,000 for coming here and without gaining not like $500 from what you spent. You understand? So it's better to also explain, like let the agents tell you more about the company that you are coming to. And nowadays also you can just go on the LinkedIn, try to search jobs on the Middle East countries. Some companies also give visa online without you going to pay on agents or something. Or maybe if you want to work with a Qatar Airways, there's no agent in Ghana that they are going to give you a Qatar Airways work. No. Qatar Airways, if you want to apply for Qatar Airways work, just go to QatarAirwaysCareer.com. Let's go to QatarAirwaysCareer.com. And there's a lot of jobs that if you feel like this one, I can do this one, then you apply for it with your CV. And if you've been picked, somebody will call you and assist you to take your documents, your credentials, like your passport and the IDs, so that they'll process it and send you a visa in your email. Yeah, that's one of the best thing. Getting a job online and they send you visa without you going to agents for agents to be lying to you to bring you some company that the company will be maltreating you, making you doing a lot of work. The country doesn't like people who being maltreated, but other companies management are doing it. But the police are not supposed to know nothing about it. They know nothing about it. You understand? So it's better for you to get a good job. Like when you get an agent who is bringing you here, you better know the kind of visa that the person is giving you. People has been giving a visit visa to the country, lying to them that this one is a resident, but when you come, it's a visit visa. Then you come and struggle like you. When you go back to you send it to a police station, the police asks you, did the agent send you there? The question is yes. He won. He or she won. You win. You understand? So we should to do more research inquiries about it. How the visa is it? Visit visa. Nowadays, if you want to apply for visit visa to Qatar, just go to hire.com. Hire. Just download the Hire app on your phone and apply. It's just 100 Qatari riyals. I don't know where you are. 100 Qatari riyals is like $35 or some, and that is in my account. My country currency is like 400 plus cities. It's not too much. So if you want to come to Qatar in a visit way, just download the app, Hire app, and apply for your visa. Within 24 hours, you're going to get your visa for visit. and you book your hotel and your ticket, the kind of flight that you're going to use, that's your own. And the hotels, you'll be booking them in the app and everything. When you get here, the hotel will come and pick you, because they will know the day that you will just tell them that this day that you are coming. So they will come and meet you at the airport to pick you by their own car. That is visit visa. And when you are coming as a company also, the company will come. They know the kind of people that they are coming. How many of you are coming in the country to work for them? So they also bring their bus in the airport to pick you guys up. So for you to be lied to bring him, my friend experienced that. He came here. His mindset was like coming to work. Not me. The visa that he got was visit visa. The agent gave him a visit visa, and he came here was struggling. God being so good, I was here, and one of his friends also was here. So we told him everything. So we didn't let him even spend more days here. As soon as the days of him coming to spend finished, we just let him go. And luckily for his mindset, he was so sharp, like smart, that the flight that he booked, the ticket, he did it in and out. So luckily when he went to the airport, he told them that the ticket is return ticket, and yeah, so they check it in system and it has a return ticket. So fast forward, he just went back to Ghana country. Do you understand? So please, people, a lot of people be experienced, and just know that when you come here and you are trying to sneak out, bro, don't try. Never try to sneak out. Those of us who are here and their ID is even expired, they are even chasing them out. If your ID expire and you have not done it, or you have not renewed it in the 2 or 3 months, just know that the police are coming for you. Because when you get out right now and the police sees you right now, you ask you, where's your ID? You bring your ID, they will check in the system, it's valid, unless you go. If it's not valid, they'll pick you in the truck, just send it to your deportation camp. Or they will call your agent. Is your ID going to be renewed? Or is the process of renewing started? If they say yes, you are free. They'll just tell you to go to your agent to take a letter that you can take it to walk around. That's when the police sees you, just show them, oh, your ID is going to be renewed this day. So you have a letter from the MY. This. You understand? So try to know better before coming to the videos. Don't give yourself pressure coming here. Well, a lot of fun, freedom, like when you say freedom, peaceful. But they are strict in terms of your ID expired, bro, you are going to be chased out. Or you coming as a visit visa and you are trying to sneak out to do it a residency, bro, nah, it's not going to work. Even if they try to apply for a resident visa for you, they will tell you you have to go back and enter again with a resident visa. Yeah. If you come inside with a visit visa and you are trying to do it a resident visa, if you get a resident visa, you still have to go back and return to the country with a resident visa, so that it will be showing a system as a resident visa or resident. Or if you are trying to be here holding the resident visa and your visit visa, your visit visa is still in the system. Your name will be in the system as a visitor in the country. So for you to just be free of it, you get your resident visa, go back to your country, and return back to the country again with a residency visa. That's the best way. So try to know better before coming here. Peaceful country. You can do whatever you want to do. Go to your club, enjoy your life, do everything that you want to do. But get a good agent who will bring you here safe without getting any issues. You understand? Then get a good agent who will bring you the good companies. Because people be coming here and be struggling so hard. And when you come to in a 2 3 months, the company will tell you that I have lost my contract with another. So yeah, I'm going to send you guys all home back. That is bad, bro. Everybody wants to make it in life and help their family. So if those things happens, if you feel like I'm lost, you understand. So try to do research on also the online companies that you feel like this company. You download your LinkedIn, you do your search in the Asian countries or American countries or something like that. Some company, if you apply online, you're luckily they will send you a visa to come, and visa and a ticket, everything. They will send you to come. Qatar Airways, all the big companies that you feel like you want to join in another country, like Hilton or something like that, just go to their site. They have a career jobs over there. You apply. Luckily, they pick you. You have an assistant. They'll talk to you on email or FaceTime. You qualify for the interview online. They'll ask for your credentials. You send to them. You hear from us. You hear from them. They send you a visa and a ticket. Fly. My friend did some and he got Dubai. He didn't pay anything to uh agents. So try to know better before traveling outside to any country, or if you are coming to Asian, Middle East, Arab country, and you are bringing in visa, visit visa, and trying to sneak inside the country and stay as a resident, bro, you are going to be chased out without you sleeping. Yeah, they will come and pick you out with a big truck. If your items, no, not even your items, only your passport, just send it to the deportation camp. You fly to your country within 24 hours, bro. So just know better, know the kind of agents that you are dealing with. Get yourself a legit agent who will be bringing you to a good company. Don't let the agent deceive you, giving you a visit visa as a resident visa. Know better, bro. So yeah, this is what I have for you today. And your host Carlo here. I'm in my clothing brand, Purple Kante hoodie. Yeah, so this is all for it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share to your friends who also know more about that. And I'll be bringing you all more about this in the country. So thank you all. Peace out.